In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to use Opay Cashback to buy airtime, or how to use a voucher on Opay, which is cashback on Opay. So when you buy airtime data on Opay, you can actually earn some cashback. Whether you buy airtime from someone or you buy for yourself, you're gonna earn a cashback for all these stuffs. So I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. So if I navigate to airtime or data, so let's say I navigate to airtime right here. So on this airtime, you can see if I top up 50 naira to my number, I'm gonna earn 2 naira 5 cents. And if I top up 100 naira, I'm gonna earn 5 naira. And then if I top up 200 naira, I'm gonna earn 10 naira. And if you top up 2000, you're gonna earn 100 naira. So I'm gonna show you how much cashback or voucher I have on my own account, and I'm gonna use it to buy airtime in this video. So right here, I want to buy 50 naira airtime, for example, through my cashback. So I'm gonna click on the 50 naira option. So you can see right here, and you can see down below, you can see my cashback. I have 259 naira cashback. So for you to use your cashback or voucher to buy airtime, you have to turn it on. You can see I already turned it on, and it's not showing my main account balance again. So if I turn it off, that means I'm not willing to use my cashback. So you can see my whole wealth down below, it's checked. That means if I want to buy this airtime, it's gonna deduct the money from my main account balance. But if I turn this cashback toggle on, so you can see it's gonna cancel, and then you can see 0, and it's gonna take the money from my cashback balance or my voucher balance. So if I do that and I click on pay, then I click on verify, then it's gonna recharge. Payment fail, third party invalid. I don't know what that means, but let me try to maybe use another number. For example, okay, let me use MTN. So I'm gonna buy, okay, I think the MTN cashback is even lesser than Etisalat or 9mobile. So you can see for 50 naira, I'm gonna earn 1 naira 5 cent or 50 cent, I guess. For 100 naira, I'm gonna earn 3 naira. So let me try 100 naira cashback. Right, so I'm gonna turn on the cashback option. All right, so I'm gonna click on pay, then let me verify. Let's see if that works. I think it works. So yeah, I was able to recharge through my cashback, and I still earn another 3 naira again, as you can see. So I still okay, you can see the money just has been deposited. Recharge of 100 naira successful. Balance is 389 naira. I guess I have 289 naira before, so I'm click on cancel. So I still earn 3 naira extra after using my cashback, because cashback is just like real money inside Opay, but you cannot actually convert it to real money to transfer to someone, but you can use it to buy airtime or data on the platform. So that is how you can make use of your cashback on Opay app.